Guess what? We're gonna do a little unboxing today for Hobbii yarn. On Black Friday, I was getting all the emails. Everybody's giving all their crap away on Black Friday, of course, right? I got the email from Hobbii that they're giving an extra 12% off of all of their sale prices, and that was actually better than that week's bingo discount, which was 10%, which normally is really good. I was really excited. I know that that is the time when you should really buy their yarn in bulk because you'll get the best deals. So, let me show you what I got. Let's reach in and see what we grab first. Ooh, I'm obsessed with their cotton yarn. I am definitely a fangirl of their Friends 8/8 cotton. The stitch definition, mwah! Their color depths are divine. I mean, look at how beautiful these are. That is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I'm not much of a pink person, but this slaps. This is color 47. It's like a hot pink. It's really cool. All right. Oh, that's funny. So I just reached in and got the same color. I know that I got a lot of colors in Friends 8/8 cotton. Ooh, oh, that's right. Oh my gosh. One of the yarns that was really on super sale was their unicorn, and they told people that maybe you would be getting the new or the old label, but I just got the new label. And look at how cute that is. That is absolutely an adorable unicorn. So this is their unicorn yarn. It's 75% merino and 25% polyamide. I got this with the intention of knitting socks for my husband. Oh my gosh, this is so soft. I should have gotten a lot more of these. I literally spent all day on the website putting things in the cart and taking things out of the cart and literally having to negotiate with myself all day long. It's kind of silly. Ooh, these are fun. So this is the Friends 8/8 cotton print. Oh my gosh, I got a bunch of these in all sorts of different colors. This is color number 1. I love how they go from gold yellow to a lighter yellow. I'm so excited to make some amigurumi with these very fun cotton print yarns. Oh my gosh. Again, these cotton 8/8 print yarns, look at how beautiful those colors are. Oh my gosh. I went from, look at that pretty colors to, yeah. They didn't have any black in this yarn. It's charcoal, which is close enough to black if I have to use black. Not exciting, but it's a utility color. Another one of the yellow print. Oh my gosh. Wow. Ah! Oh my gosh, I love blue. I love blue so much. This is color number 9. Wow, okay. I was able to pull out the same one. Looks like I got 2 of each color. Oh, this looks so divine. Ooh, I kind of remember what I ordered, but I also don't at the same time. This is a really pretty magenta. This is color number 48, and this is Friends 8/8 cotton. Yeah, look how beautiful that is. It reminds me of their cerise colored unicorn yarn. I made a really pretty shawl. I absolutely love it. Oh my gosh, that's so gorgeous. Same one again. I'm really good at this. Ooh. So freaking cool. So freaking cool. Wow. This is gonna be so cool. I am so excited to make some amigurumi with all these print colored yarns. I don't know what I'm gonna make, but I'm so excited for it. This is color number 3. This brown is really pretty. That's so cool. Oh my goodness. Color number 15. Same one. We got another red one. Ooh! Okay, this slaps. I'm such a sucker for color. This is so gorgeous. Wow. This is color number 10. I love all the little bits of teals and sea foam mixed in with white. Like, oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous. Ooh. Oh, this is so pretty too with all the orange. Oh my gosh. I kind of want to make like a little small Charmander and just make it with this orange yarn. How cute would that be? Just like a variegated orange Charmander. How cool. How cool would that be? It'd have to be tiny though, because I think I only got 2 of these. What else? Another charcoal gray. Another one of the orange. Yay. When you're in the United States and you order Hobbii yarn or anything from Hobbii, you normally aren't supposed to get their cherry candies. Typically when something goes through customs, they snatch that out of the bag. And guess what? I got it. I got a cherry candy. I feel like I got away with something. I got away with it. It's really good. All right, that's it. That's all I got. So I pulled up my receipt so I can tell you guys what I paid for all of this stuff. I'm going to tell you the prices before the discount and then after the discount. So for the Unicorn Solid, this was listed at $10.90, which normally they're $18, so that's a really good deal. The regular Friends 8/8 cotton was on sale for $1.45 per skein. The cotton 8/8 print was on sale for $1.60. All of that added up to $42 before the discount. I got a $5.04 discount. I had to pay $4.99 for shipping, which I think is quite reasonable when it's coming all the way from Denmark. All in all, after everything, my grand total was $41.95. I think that's a pretty good deal for really high quality yarn. Comment down below if you've ever ordered Hobbii yarn before, and if you have, what are your favorite or not favorite yarns that Hobbii carries? What your favorite thing that you've ever made with your Hobbii yarn? I would love to know. So thank you guys for joining me for my Hobbii unboxing. If you really liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you loved my yarny shenanigans while opening my bag of Hobbii yarns, go ahead and click subscribe and click on the bell for notifications. And until next time, stay safe, happy, and healthy, and happy holidays. And have a wonderful day. Bye! Gorgeous! But dun dun dun. It's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Just beautiful, darling. Just beautiful.